What are the sicknesses Reiki can treat or heal? So this is a quite common question when somebody makes an inquiry to learn Reiki, or when somebody makes an inquiry to get a treatment for them. It's a quite common question. What are the sicknesses Reiki can heal? Now, how long a Reiki treatment would take to heal something, heal a disease that you have, or can a certain type of diseases can be healed with Reiki? This is very important. Reiki is not a medical system. It's not a replacement for medicine. It's not. Reiki is an energy rebalancing methodology. As Reiki practitioners, what we do is we take more Reiki than we need and we channel it to a person, place, situation, animal, plant, anything, to rebalance that energy, to energize that. However, if there is a disease, if somebody is going through a disease which is caused by energetic causes, that disease is going to get better. And also, when you are suffering from a physical disease, it is going to have an effect on your energetic body. And when you rebalance the energetic body, your body gets a chance to recover itself. So, as a side effect of doing Reiki, you might experience a tremendous healing. Your sickness might go away. But I emphasize, Reiki is not a medical system. However, with Reiki, you might experience a beautiful, tremendous healing, and some of your diseases and sicknesses might go away. This we teach on the first day. When anybody joins a Reiki class, we emphasize this fact. And the whole Reiki practice is about receiving Reiki, checking somebody else's energy body. We call it Biosen. So when you are doing Biosen scanning, when you are making use of your palm to check somebody else's energy body, what you are doing is checking is the energy body, not the physical body. There may be a related physical disease for the energetic imbalance, or it could be energetic imbalance by itself. Like I know a couple of cases where people had the physical symptoms in one place and the energetic imbalance in a very different place. And all my students, I emphasize this case because people might come presenting a disease, but you need to do Biosen scanning and figure out where the energetic imbalances are. So one classic case was there's this person who was having this tremendous headache, was suffering from the headache, and we did the Biosen scanning. There's nothing on the head, nothing on the chest, nothing on the neck, nothing on stomach. It was on the lower abdomen. The imbalance was on the lower abdomen. And when we did the treatment to lower abdomen, the headache went away. So you cannot work with the physical symptoms. You cannot go with the intention that I'm going to cure everybody. That is not your calling. Your calling is to give energetic release to everybody. Give Reiki to other people. Do Reiki treatments. Not with the view of curing somebody. Not with the view of I'm going to be a great healer. That is not a very good view, because even if there's healing happening, even if there's this magical disappearance of symptoms happen, you cannot take the credit for that. It's Reiki that does it. We just facilitate the Reiki transference. That's all. So, in short, as Reiki practitioners, we don't play doctor. We are not doctors. We don't look at symptoms and give a diagnosis and tell, okay, you need to take this medicine for this long. It's not like that. Rather, we would give Reiki. If you are experienced enough, you might be able to give an assessment of how much of Reiki may be needed to have some sort of a relief. but then again it's not a guarantee of healing. You might there might be a case you might get two people from the same family going through the similar sicknesses, and one person with Reiki they would have miraculous healing and the other person might stay the same, because not all sicknesses has the same root cause and not everything is energetically based. So for some people you can give a momentary release, and for other people you might be able to give permanent positive healing. Hope this clarifies the standing of Reiki and the sicknesses for you, even if you are a practitioner or if you are looking to learn Reiki or if you are looking forward to receive Reiki treatments. I'm Gamaka Sri, Reiki Grandmaster and Chief Trainer and Coach for Mind Designs International. Stay safe. Jai Sri.